we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a couple new angle stops. The old ones are sitting here multi-turn, so you had one for the hot, multi-port, and then of course one for the cold. And they're as old as the home, so they're just leaking. Anytime that they pull on the pull-down sprayer, it would bump and grab onto the handle, and then it would just start squirting water out. So you can tighten these down, it'll work for a while, but the more you utilize these handles or the more you yank on it, you just get water out of there. So we opted to replace it. These are quarter turn shutoff valves. That's all we use. So quarter turn on, I get a picture there. That's off, so just one quarter turn and then back on. So same for the hot, and then of course hot has the dishwasher connected to it, so we got a 3/8 brass T. It adapts right to that shutoff valve and then gives you a place to hook up your faucet. And then also you can see that copper line that goes over the dishwasher that's installed. So we've tested out, we dried everything down. We ask you to monitor it for leaks, make sure everything stays dry. Any trouble, give us a holler. We'll come back out right away and take care of it. Outside of that, this installation is done.